Alright guys, this is my entry to BlackDolphin90's giveaway. You have to open 4 different kinds of locks, and I've struggled with this challenge trying to figure out what 4 kinds of locks I can open. So you'll see what they are. First of all, I hope to open this multi-lock Garrison. It's actually the easiest dimple lock that I have. I don't own many dimple locks, and this one's even on loan. Oh, I guess I'll show you the key. So that's the key. I'll show you it works. Alright, this might, it probably will be the trickiest lock that I open on this video, so I'll do it first. Okay. Okay, dropped into a falset. Change the angle a little bit. I'm getting counter on 1. Set that. 2. Set that. 3. Set that. I think that's 7. Oh no. Alright, reset. Just lost everything. Look like there, look like there, drop into my falset again. Start from the beginning, number 1. Set. Number 2. Set. Number 3. Set. Number 6 isn't ready. Number 7. I may have set that. I don't know. Go back through. I didn't set it. So I just dropped out of my falset, but I haven't lost everything, so I'm going to try and just see if I can wiggle anything just a little bit to set it again. Okay, I'll let off 1 click, drop back into my falset, try to get number 7 again. Number 7 is kind of tricky because it's very high cut, and so is number 6. I may have set that, I don't know. Alright. You can see it's open. Hopefully the other locks will be easier, but we'll find out. I have a Lockwood oval cylinder. I don't have a key to this. I wish I did. I don't know if this is factory or if there's been modifications. I don't really know. It's a pretty fun lock though. You get great feedback from it. Use a 50 thousandths pry bar. Where's my hook? Here we go. Praxis short hook. Like I've said before, I feel like I get more feedback from just a raw metal or whatever you want to call it, but without any handles or anything. Alright, let's see. I'm getting resistance on 1. Okay, set that. Okay, set that one. Should have been a pretty loud click for you to hear. I think I just overset things. I'm going to switch to another pry bar. So, same thicknesses, one's straight, one's curved. I like the curved one more. I don't know why. Probably should have practiced on this Lockwood. I haven't opened him in quite a while, but alright, let's see who else is in there. What's amazing with these Lockwoods, every time you set a pin, you can actually, like, the core moves noticeably. I think Lockwoods are a lot of fun. I've only ever had a few, but I think they are a blast. Okay. I have it open. My device is just blocking it from turning. See, it's open there. Alright, so those two I knew I could open. Let's see if I can do this American Series AC double-sided wafer lock. Let's see if I can open this. I'm going to go back to my, this is in 50 thousandths, the dog ear I think they call it. I'm going to use the square end. And I'm going to try to SPP this. I'm not great at wafer locks. This is probably only the second wafer lock I've ever even tried to open. Some people make these Americans look super easy. They just even rake them open or zip them open, but I'm not that comfortable with them. Oh, I'll show you it works, I guess. One of the reasons that most people who entered this contest submitted their videos a while ago, but I pretty much only do pin tumbler locks with the occasional dimple locks, so for me trying to find two other ones was actually somewhat challenging. So I have practiced on this lock. You wouldn't know it from me struggling here, but maybe I'll put in the vise, maybe that'll make it easier for me. I apologize if this is a long video. Alright, so it works. Maybe I'm using the wrong end, maybe it's blocking the first wafers or something. Man, alright. Let's see what other wrenches I can try. Maybe that one? Nope, that won't work. Alright, we'll try the other side. Apparently I should have practiced on this lock. I'd hate to have to reshoot this video just because this American refuses to cooperate. Tumbler locks are weird, I think. You can SPP them. I said tumbler. I mean wafer. You can SPP them, but I don't feel like you get as good of feedback as with other locks as with tumbler or dimple locks. Of course, maybe it's just me. Maybe I'll try raking it, because I was hoping this would open easier. Alright guys, this is fun to watch, I bet. Let's see if I can zip it open so I can just move on. Whoop. The problem is I'm awful at raking or zipping or... Hey, it worked! That's exciting. Alright. Yeah, I'm not very good at raking locks because I really never do. So I struggled to find a lock, 4 different kinds of locks that I could open. In a previous video I showed you the first tubular lock that I ever got off of eBay, and it was just complete trash. You could open it with a straw. This is the second tubular lock that I ever owned, and it's not a lot better than the last one. And for the life of me, I can't figure out how to tension it. I have the Mantis tensioning tool. That's around here somewhere, but I can't figure out how to use it on this lock. It slides around. On some tubular locks, there's a little groove. Here, I'll put it closer, sorry. There's a little groove right there. Come on. But on this lock, there's not, so my tension tool made for tubular locks just slips out. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to cheat. If I remember how to open this. There you go. I'm going to have to cheat with this tubular lock because I can't for the life of me figure out how to tension it. So this is one of the cheap Chinese tools that usually work. I mean, like, alarmingly well. Set everything to 0. You can see the lock is open. I've got to lock it back up. Alright, so that is my entry. I'll leave a link to BlackDolphin90's channel in the description. Hopefully you're okay with me cheating a little bit, because I couldn't figure out how to open this lock, and raking the wafer lock I'm not proud of, but this is a long enough video as it was. Hopefully you liked what you saw. If you did, please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and thank you very much for watching.